Hey guys, it's Jazmine here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I am going to be doing a new challenge here on YouTube called Google Picks My Makeup. Now, Nikki Tutorials here on YouTube started this challenge, and it's basically, there's different themes to the challenge, but the first theme that she did, and the only one I know because she created this challenge and she hasn't done any more, is you type in the first letter of your first name and the first letter of your last name, and then put look at the end of it and search that into Google. Look at the Google images. The first picture is what you're gonna take your inspiration from for your look and your makeup look. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna search up on Google, and my first name is J, and then last name M, and then I'll put look at the bottom of it, at the end of it. JM look. I like this challenge because you have no idea what you're gonna get. Okay, I can work with this. So if you guys can see that, So here's the picture up close. I think I can work with this. I think I'm gonna take more inspiration from the jeans and the jacket, and maybe throw in some of the green. I don't know how I'm gonna throw in the green, but I think I can do it. I think I can work with this. And so basically, you just do a whole eye look and makeup look with inspiration from that picture, and so that's what I'm going to be doing. I got my Morphe palettes. I got all the palettes I have down here to help me create this makeup look today. And so if you want to see what I create, then keep on watching. Okay, I zoomed you guys in a little bit. I'm thinking about doing a black smoky eye with burgundy colors in the crease, and then throw in some of the green somewhere. I don't really know. Maybe underneath the lash line. I'm not sure. So, I'm going to go in with priming my eyelids today with the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. Okay, now time to get started on the eyes today. So of course, I'm going to be taking my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I'm going to start out with this color right here. And I'm going to be stamping this on my eyelid at first, just to make sure I get all the pigmentation that I want.
In Tennessee, I know it's in Texas, probably in Tennessee, that says fool me once.
And I'm putting this color in the socket of my crease.
Shame on you. If fool me, we can't get fooled again.
I'm going to take a clean blending brush and just blend out the edges. And now I'm going to take this color and use this to further blend out the edges of this eye look and the edges of my crease. Oh, and as you can see, I'm blending it out into almost my hairline. I'm blending it out very far. I'm taking these colors very far up, and I was not expecting that, but I'm kind of liking it. For the next part, I'm going to be taking this deeper, kind of more of the browner or the purpler shade, and I'm going to use that to make some definition into the crease. And I'm really only going to be putting this in to the socket of my crease and nowhere else, and make sure it is really blended. And then take a clean blending brush and take the first color that we used and just blend that out. Alrighty, now for the fun part, the black. I'm going to take this black right here, and I'm just going to plop that all over my lid today. And hopefully it does not, the fallout is not that extreme because I already did my base. Another blending brush. to blend these colors together. Okay, it actually kind of looks like I have a black eye. Great, that's exactly the look I was going for. Yep. For the inner corner, and to bring back that green from the background of the picture, I'm gonna take this green shimmery color and put that in my inner corner. Don't really know where I'm going with this, but hopefully it works out in my favor. Ooh, whoa. Ooh, I like that. And I like how I brought it down here. Ooh, yes. Okay, it doesn't look as bad. Okay. Ooh, I think I'm going to take the first color that we use and start to blend that out on the bottom lash line. See where we get to. Just starting off really simple because I don't really know what I want to do under here yet. And then using it with the same blending brush that I used to blend out the black, I'm going to blend out the lower lash line. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm going to go do the other eye and then put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I finished off the eye look. I don't know how I'm feeling about it. I think I did get inspiration. I think you can see that in this look. You can see the inspiration I got from the picture, but it's not the best look I've done, let me say that. But yeah, I'm still liking it. I think I like the pop of green in the inner corner. I feel like this isn't blended enough, but I've been blending it for so long and it won't blend anymore, so yeah. Next thing, I want to do some blush. Since it was like he was wearing burgundy pants, this is the closest to burgundy blush I have. This blush from Ulta. I'm gonna pop this sucker on, and a lot of it, and kind of connect it with my eyeshadow today.
There's an old saying in Tennessee.
Okay, I'm gonna take some eyeshadow from this palette, and I'm gonna take some of this. Wait, I can't hold this. I'm gonna take some of this color right here and put that on my cheekbones. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this look. Tell me in the comments below if you think I created if you think that I did a great job in getting inspiration from that picture with the guy with the burgundy pants and the black jacket. And thank you, Nikki Tutorials, for making this challenge up. It was actually really fun. I'm definitely gonna do more of these challenges in the future. Oh, I almost forgot lip gloss. Oh no. Alright, now that my lips look all juicy, we can get back to the ending of the video. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this a like. Oh, my palette just fell on the floor. It's all good. Anyway, don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel down below. See you guys next time. Bye.